What's good, everybody? Tonight we have the new brisket barbecue with cheddar cheese on it, and I got lettuce, onion, and pickle on it as well, and a little extra barbecue sauce. Look at there. Man, does that smell so good. This was approximately $10.19 at Subway for a foot long, and that's what I got. So we're going to give this a whirl and see how good it is. I had them toasted because I recommended to have it that way. So here we go. Mmm. 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 That's pretty good. That's not bad at all, y'all. Look at that meat. It smells so good. It tastes really good. It's tender. It's juicy. It's very flavorful. I like this. I didn't think I would like it, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised here. Very good flavor. Look at that. Man, is that good stuff. I got the Italian herbs and cheese bread and pickles, onions, and lettuce. That's a good amount of meat on it. They definitely didn't skimp on it. And while I was there, I even let them know that I was going to be reviewing this on our video tonight. So I have another bite here, and I'm going to give this a rating. Woo, boy, is that good. It's not spicy one bit. The barbecue sauce is smooth and sweet. It has just the right flavor to this sub. This is really good. It is a bit on the spendy side, yes, but I feel it was worth it. I really do. I'd definitely get it again. I think the only thing that would hold me back would probably be the price point. Normally, I would get one of these. That's a foot-long cold cut combo on the same kind of bread. This is what I got. This is what Rachel got. She gets hers with just lettuce and mayo on it. I like mine with lettuce, onion, and pickle. I love the flavor. It's always been my favorite. So here's one quick bite, and then we're going to rate this. Good stuff. Well worth the money. I'm going to give them a straight on 5 all day long. I definitely recommend to go out and try this if your local Subway has it. They probably should. I think all of them do. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Drop us a comment down below. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got plenty of videos for everybody. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. And we'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Take it easy.